Hello everyone! Today, we visited a traditional market in the Philippines. We are going to cook Korean food with the ingredients we bought at the market today.
Finding first, finding. Oh, also chicken, baba.
치킨?
이거 very fresh.
그런데 이거 진짜 크러쉬.
여기 vegetable 해봐. What do you need? You need 이거 맞아? 일단 이거 first. 해봐. magkano po kilo?
스피나치. 이거 괜찮아?
이거 괜찮아?
응.
이거 small one. Show 해봐. 이거 garbage. Okay.
이거 뭐야? 소세지야?
아, longganisa.
립?
$5.20, $5.50. Yes. Half kilo or isang kilo na po yun? 1 kilo. Half kilo 괜찮아 to 1 kilo. 이렇게. 와, 어때? 어떻게?
이걸로 해서 하프킬로.
Half kilo. Dalawa lang kasi kami. Dalawa lang po. Magkano po? 260 madam.
$100?
Yes. Thank you. This way.
Cellophane noodles, paprika, starch syrup, sesame oil, sesame seeds, carrot, onion, oyster sauce, cooking wine, oligosaccharide, soy sauce, black pepper, sugar, umami seasoning, seasoned salt, shiitake mushroom, zucchini, spinach, squid, ground pork, cabbage, red pepper powder, spring onion, chopped garlic, gochujang. I'll make the ojin gyeokgukyeom sauce first. Add red pepper powder 3 tea. Add chopped garlic 1 tea. Add gochujang 2 tea. Add sugar 1 tea. Add oligosaccharide 2 tea. Add oyster sauce 1 tea. Add soy sauce 3 tea. Mix it well. Cut half cabbage and half carrot into bite-sized pieces. Half zucchini and onion also cut bite-sized. Trim the squid when you do it. Remove the squid's mouth, ink bag, eyes, and bones. Cut the squid into bite-sized pieces. The squid legs are also used, so cut them into bite-sized pieces. Add 2 teas of cooking wine to the cut squid. Add plenty of oil to the pan. Add the prepared vegetables. Stir-fry the vegetables well. When the vegetables are cooked to a certain degree, sprinkle with black pepper. Fry it well. Add the cut squid. Stir-fry a little bit of squid. Add all the seasoning sauce that you made in advance. Mix it well together. The moisture from the vegetables make it water itself. Add umami seasoning 1 tea. Add flavored salt 0.5 tea. Mix it well. Add onions. Stir-fry the onion until it is cooked. Add sesame oil 2 tea. Lastly, add spring onions. Next, I'm going to make japchae. Soak noodles in lukewarm water. Cut spinach into bite-sized pieces. Cut the end of spinach and discard it. Cut shiitake mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Slice the carrot. Slice the onion. Add spinach to boiling water. Boil it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And cool the spinach by putting it in cold water. Add plenty of oil to the pan. Stir-fry the ground pork. Add seasoned salt 1 tea. Add black pepper 0.5 tea. Add chopped garlic 1 tea. Mix it well. Add all the vegetables that you prepared in advance. Stir-fry the vegetables well. Add soy sauce tasty. Turn the heat to low. Mix it well. Add cooking wine 2 tea. cornstarch syrup 2 tea. Add sugar 1 tea. Mix it well. Add the noodles that have been soaked in water. Mix it well. Add onion and spinach. Add umami seasoning 1 tea. Add oyster sauce 1.5 tea. Add sesame oil 1.5 tea. Lastly, sprinkle sesame seeds.
Let's enjoy the food!
The soup is mussel soup. It's really good to buy fresh ingredients at the market and cook them.
Thanks for watching!